We'll walk you through.
How to disable Cloudflare in Chrome.
If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and consider subscribing to our channel.
The first thing you want to do is to go over to cloudflare.com on Google Chrome and log in to your website. Once you're on the website, as soon as it loads, you're going to be presented with the dashboard of the website. And what you want to do is to go over to where it says account. And as you can see, your domain will be shown here. In order to disable it, you can go over to the three dot icons here, click on it, and go over to where it says pause Cloudflare, click on it. And you're going to see a pop-up here saying that this stops traffic for your website passing through the Cloudflare network. So this means that all the security features will be disabled when you make a pause. Now, there are several reasons why you might want to pause Cloudflare or your website going through it. Maybe you want to access a certain website and you're unable, or there are some issues with your website's functionality. You can go ahead and pause it. Another way to do this is to click on your domain when you log in case you don't find it on there where I just showed you. You can click on your domain, and once you're on this page, you want to go over to the right hand side of your screen and scroll down to where it says advanced actions. Now there are two options. You can either pause it here or remove it completely. So if it's a temporary action, you just want to pause and click on it. And as you can see, your Cloudflare account has been paused. And to unpause it, you just want to take a similar action and click on it, and voila, that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Make sure to leave a like and consider subscribing to our channel for fire updates on everything tech.